So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished adding a sink here in the upstairs guest bath. Starting with the layout, we have a 60-inch cabinet. So from this point, you're an inch off the wall, and then over to here is 60 inches. Hold me on that first mark. So here's what we have there. It's a 60-inch cabinet right there, and then of course center would be your 30 inches right there, and then the spread on these two sinks drains right there from the center. It was 32 inches from the center of one sink to the next, so 16 inches. You can see drain. Hold it right there, don't move it. That's the center, 16, and then of course 32. Down at the bottom you can see here, hold it down there please, all against the wall, and have it. So right here off the wall, that puts the drain at 15, and the drains are 32 apart when we're down here. So you can see our drain, it's covered up with tape at 15, and then 32 inches over would be 47. You can see right here, 47 inches to the center of the drain. So that's what we've got for the layout according to the sink. We also floor to center. 20 inches to the center of the drain, and that'll keep the trap from hitting that bottom shelf. Same thing over here. 20 inches to the center. And then the waters are just offset, so you can see center of the drain. Water's off to the side. That gives you room for the trap to come out and do whatever you need to do there. Same thing that one. So hot and cold's been replumbed. You can see up there. Be mindful, normally what you have in this situation is two sets of water lines coming down, but because of the drainage down here, sanitary T comes back up. T and a little dirty arm over there. Then of course it needs to get vented back into the drain line, so that's all tied together and good. But the water lines, you can see we've got one strap back here for the water line. It's pretty close to the wall. Couldn't get one in here. We're there. So whatever's on the back side of this wall, just be mindful. Don't put nails in the wall. Don't hang anything. You can certainly come in here and, like we're doing right now, take pictures or take videos, and just be mindful when you go in there. You've got lines against the wall here because it's got to go behind the vent line, and then of course it's pretty close back there. So that happens whether or not you've done a remodel. That happens when you've got lines in the wall and you just don't know. You come to hang a picture and you put a nail in or a screw in, and then you hit the water main, and then not just up here but anywhere in the home. So anyways, water's on. We've run some water in here, got the air line tested out. Doesn't look like anything is leaking. Any trouble, give the holler, we'll come back out right away. Outside of that, this installation is done.